Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we got some ground beef, pickled onions, some salt and pepper mixer, mustard, ketchup, spray butter, and some Worcestershire sauce, followed by some cheese and buns. So you're going to need at least 9 cheeses, slices, American cheese or whatever type of cheese you want. But if you're making this is what you're going to need. This is 2 pounds of ground beef, already been seasoned a day in advance. And all I did was took 3 tablespoons of this Worcestershire sauce and this salt and pepper mixture. I took like 1.5 tablespoons of this, and I put it up in there. So that's like 3 teaspoons. All right, and these are pickled. This is a pickle and a half. So 1 pickle and a half, and this is a whole onion. And here is some rolls right here. And I already cut it in half. I didn't brown it or nothing like that. So today we're going to be making you guys the best ever cheeseburger sliders. Alright, so let's get right into it in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. All we're going to do right here, spray these buns down. So we want to brown them. Okay, so you can use any type of butter you want to. This is what I'm doing today. So I'm going to put my tops over here because it cooks a little bit slower over that way. Take my other one over here. Spray that down. Put that over here. Alright. So we're just going to put the other half over here, the bottom. So we'll spray that down, and we're just going to cook these probably about 3 minutes on each side. And then I'll take you over there and we'll start on our meat. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, there's the buns right there. You can see they brown on each side. Okay, and we're just going to move this out the way because we got to make up these patties. So we'll put this down here, flip it over this way. Take our wax paper. Take our meat, try to put it down on there. Form it much as you can. Press down, try to shape it. That's all you're going to be doing. Trying to shape it, forming for now. Then we take a rolling pin and flatten it out. Flatten it out rather. That over there. And you're just going to flatten it out. It goes nice and slow with it. So it gets flat. Not all the way flat. I'll show you how it looks when I get done. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, that's it right there. That's about good as I'm going to get it right now. And I'm just going to take this over there and put it on the grill because you got to remember it's going to shrink up some now. That's why you want to make it a little bit bigger. See how big that is? Okay? Alright, see you guys over there in a minute. Okay, I'm here. So I'm just going to go here and flip it like this. You're going to mess up a little bit, but you're going to always get it back on point. As long as this thing ain't too hot. So I'm just going to slide this back over here. Just like so. Just stick it back up on there. Okay, we're good. Just make sure that's cooked. We want to turn this back up. See, I didn't want to have it scalding hot because when I flip it, then it get on there, then it'll be stuck. Then you can't move without ripping it. So we're just gonna let this cook for about 3 minutes or 4 minutes on each side, and it will be done. But don't forget to take out the paper, okay? All right, guys. See you guys in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this little piece up. All right, in a minute. Okay, one more thing I want to show you guys. Now you know you're gonna have to flip this whole thing, and I ain't gonna use no 2 spatulas, so I'm gonna just measure it out by right up in here. And I'm gonna flip half of this side is a little bit bigger, but we're not gonna worry about it. We're gonna cut it all up anyway, right? Cut it in squares. All right. Nice out. Now it's the easier way you could have did it. You could put it in on the pan and put it in the oven and cooked it that way. I'm just showing you this way. All right. You see it sweating like that, you come in there just like this, and you flip it, just like that. Alright, that's all we're doing. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. This is what I like to do. You don't have to do it. I'll take my mustard, put it on the bottom. Take my ketchup, a little bit, put it at the bottom. Like so. Take me some onions. You can put them on there however you want to. Just put you some onions on there. Make sure all of them get some onions. I like to put my pickles down there too. You know, the bottom part, people tend to bite on your taste bud at the bottom, right? So that's what I want to taste. I want to taste all this. Go ahead and put our meat on there. Take our meat and put that on there. Just like that. Okay. Told you. See how it shrink right to fit? So you want to make it a little bit bigger. Then you go on with your cheese. Put your cheese on there. You got 9 of those. So I'll show you how it looks when I put all 9 of these on there in a minute. Okay guys, there you go. Take the top. Well, you want to put a little mustard and ketchup on that too. If you want to. You don't have to put a lot, just put enough. Okay, how that looks. Put your top on, like so. This one came apart. So we're going to put him over here. Just like that. Booyah! There you go. Now that's how you make a cheeseburger. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. Alright. Alright guys, give me a like, share, and subscribe. And tell all your friends and family to tune in to Dogg's Kitchen, where I'll be bringing you or teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. And please guys, can't emphasize that enough, hit that bell. That's right, hit that bell, let me know who you are. And you'll see the thumbnail, so check it out in a minute.